Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. And before starting today's video, firstly, I have to say that I missed you a lot. I can't even say that. I missed you a lot. It's been 3 months that I haven't posted a single video. I have posted the Singapore video, but I've shot it before the board examinations. So that means कि पूरे time में I haven't shot a single video, I haven't done a single post, and I'm really sorry for that. First of all, I'm very sorry for that. But now, since I've apologized and I'm back, so you can give me the permission to make this video. Now I am going to get into that main topic. के लिए I was not able to make it, and this is not my fault. It's the fault of CBSE and education system. I can't do anything. I am just a student. You just have to bear with me for more 2 years now. Class 12 is also left. Oh, by the way, जिनको नहीं पता है, I've just given my class 10 board examinations, and I am going to talk about my experience for my first board examination. I know you're excited for that and you're curious about it, and I am too. Let's start. Alright, so I'll start with the first examination, which was English. Now see, English is not my favorite subject, but I am good at speaking English, which is quite evident. नहीं, I'm not bragging. But the thing was, में कुछ problems ऐसे आ रहे थे मेरे पास that I am not good in English, I don't know how to write, or there were some self-doubts with it, basically. So I was struggling with those. And suddenly the first exam was the English exam. I panicked a lot. I gave English 5 days for the preparation and all before the examination. 5 दिन लगातार I have learned English, and I did all the live classes of Next Toppers Magnolia ma'am, all of it, and I also attended the live class on the examination day at 4 o'clock in the morning. So basically that was the first exam, and I was excited about it and nervous at the same time. So both the feelings contrasted, but major role was played by my mother. She continuously told me to calm myself down more, because मेरे साथ क्या होता है ना, मैं बहुत पैनिक हो जाती हूँ कभी भी कुछ होता है, and I have to face something, competition, so मैं बहुत tensed हो जाती हूँ. Anyways, so examination day, the first exam, English examination day, I was very optimistic with it. Yes, I had a few breakdowns, but I was very optimistic with it. मैं सुबह 4 बजे उठी, class की, and then I revised my notes. I went upstairs, by the way. I took a nature walk in the morning. मुझे लगा कि that will help me to calm myself down, a bit. So I did that, and then at 7 I came home. I made some tea for myself. तब तक मम्मी पापा भी उठ चुके होते हैं, और आदि तो मेरे साथ ही था. हम दोनों एक ही साथ काम कर रहे थे. We did the class together. Everything was right. But as soon as my mom told me to get ready for the examination, वहाँ से it was like a bit kind of a battle inside me, that I was trying to calm myself down, but it was also like very tensed. I was very tensed, and I was trying myself to calm down. It was quite a battle in my mind, but at the same time I have to revise all the things over again and again and again till I reached the examination center. And पहले दिन मुझे पता नहीं था कि हम 10 बजे से अगर पहले भी आएंगे, because I reached the examination at 8:55 sharp. So मुझे लगा कि as soon as the gate will open, मुझे अंदर जाना पड़ेगा, or else they will not allow me. But that was a mistake again, because we still have a lot of time to revise, because वो gate पहले ही open कर देते हैं. Okay, so even in case someone wants to get in, but I thought that अगर मैं नहीं जाऊंगी, then they will not allow me. So I went at 9:20. I still had time for more than half an hour to revise, and then I could easily go in at 9:50 before the papers were distributed. But again, it was my first examination, I didn't know that. So मैं अंदर गई, and I was sitting there chit-chatting with my friends, and again which was not right. I know exam से पहले I shouldn't have talked, but I was trying to calm myself down, because मैं इतना ज़्यादा nervous हो गई थी, and it's just that anxieties and palpitations, my hands were shaking, so I had to calm myself down. So मुझे लगा कि मैं दोस्तों से बात कर लेती हूँ, it would be, calmer. So, and that was a big mistake. Because, exam के time में तुम किसी से भी बात करो, they will talk about examination only. So, and they were like, did you read that? I was very confused that I didn't know this was coming. Oh my god, I knew it was coming, but still I was nervous and kind of forgetting everything, mutual feelings. तो फाइनली उस टाइम तक हमारा जो इन्विजिलेटर थी वो पेपर्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने आई. द फर्स्ट वॉर वॉज द OMR शीट. I was prepared for it. I took the EduCard sample papers and all. I solved it. I solved the OMR sheet. But still, होता है ना थोड़ा सा तो nervousness होता ही है. And I used a scale to bubble everything, and it was perfect the first day. Perfect. And after that I felt like I'm the best. I'm perfect. No. So OMR sheet was a success. Let me tell you, it was a success. But as soon as they had started distributing the papers, again I was nervous. I got set 2 in my first examination, which continued till my last examination. I received the set 2 paper. I prayed to God before opening it up. मैं तब भी बहुत नर्वस थी, बहुत ही ज़्यादा नर्वस थी. After seeing the question paper, it felt like my heart is going to come out from my body. I looked out of the window. There was a temple. I am not an atheist, so I believe in God. So I was like, okay, God is there with me. I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm blessed. Fine. So I opened the seal of my question paper and I saw the first question. Easy. Second passage. Easy. Okay. I didn't read it that time, but it felt easy. Then I quickly moved on to the grammar section. I saw the questions. Nothing new. I did it all. But inspired, I made a couple of mistakes over there. But let's not get there. Let's not get there. Okay. एक्सपीरियंस की बात कर रही हो तो मार्क्स पे चले जा रहे हो. नहीं अभी नहीं. अभी let's stick to the experience, okay? So I opened the question paper and मुझे इतना ज़्यादा डर लगा and I was excited. And after seeing the whole question paper, I was like, I just studied this in the morning and this and this. So the literature portion was in my favor. Abhi recently I just studied it, right? So I was like, okay, I'm confident with the literature section. मैं वहीं से start करूँगी. I started writing, but the thing is I couldn't write. My hands were shaking so much I couldn't even hold a pen. Then that time I had to calm myself down because time नहीं था मेरे पास. I had to rush. I didn't want to rush, but still I carried on. My handwriting was not that pretty much good, which I should have been. But still I tried. I underlined everything possible, the main things, the keywords and all. And then after, but the thing is that extract में मुझे थोड़ा सा problem हुआ. And as I was nervous, I missed a couple of words, not in my favor. But I can't change the past. I took the learnings from them. Anyways, focus. तो बट द थिंग इज दैट स्कूल में हम जब एग्जाम्स देते हैं ना तो वो जल्दी खत्म हो जाता है. हम जानते हैं वो सेंटर, द टीचर्स, द इन्विजिलेटर्स एंड ऑल. सो इट्स अ फैमिलियर एनवायरनमेंट. बट व्हेन हम दूसरे क्लास में या दूसरे स्कूल में जाते हैं, दैट इज अ बिट स्केरिंग. बट स्टिल आई मैनेज टू कंप्लीट माई पेपर. मैं कुछ छोड़ के नहीं आई, बट टाइम में खत्म नहीं हुआ. मतलब आई डिडंट गॉट द टाइम टू रिवाइज इट. आई वाज हैप्पी विद इट. देन मैं एग्जाम हॉल से बाहर आई डिस्कस्ड इट विद माई फ्रेंड्स एंड मुझे पता चला कि उन्हें भी उसी चीज़ों में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था जहाँ पे मुझे प्रॉब्लम हुआ. सो आई वॉज क्वाइट रिलैक्स विद इट. बट मैं थोड़ा सा अपसेट भी थी. मैं जैसा चाहती थी वैसा नहीं हुआ. आई वॉज नर्वस एंड आई मेस्ड अप अ बिट. बट मेस्ड अप अ बिट इन द सेंस कि माई nervousness, hand shaking and all. But that was the first examination and I got a bit of experience from that. Second day was a science examination and by the way English was easy. It was easy and science went like that and science examination bhi वैसे ही गया. But and after completing the whole examination till the computer one, मुझे पता लगा कि okay, I was nervous about it throughout this year and this has ended already. And when I gave the last examination computer, I was relieved and happy and proud at the same time. Like a student like me, I have to be proud of myself because I have given my all. I haven't made any single video, which is my passion. I haven't went to my dance school. I haven't went out with my friends or hang out with them. I sacrificed it all and I gave my 100% to my examination. whether I'll get a good marks or a good percentage, I don't know about it. I should, because I know how I gave my examination. I should, but the thing is that chalo मान लेते हैं in 1% I am not able to get that, but still I know that I have given my 100% of efforts, and you know what, that is enough for me. I can trade everything over that, and I'm so proud of myself. I am so proud that I'm able to complete all of it. I did everything possible to study. I did everything possible to score a good marks. I did it. I did it. I trusted everything. I wrote affirmations. I prayed to God. I attended all the marathons, all the GDPs. I did everything. And जब results आएगा, I hope कि God sees my efforts and gives me my results accordingly. But this was my experience. So overall, my experience. So if I had to describe this experience in one word, I would say thrilling. Thrilling is the perfect word. Thrilling. I was nervous, excited. It was a thumbs up. It really was. My experience was amazing. I'm looking forward for my class 12 board examinations. और अभी ना मुझे थोड़ा सा मजा आने लगा है, पता है? I am enjoying studying, but I don't know 11, 12 में people are saying that it is like an ocean. बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Let's see. I'll be able to manage it with making videos, of course. And I'm not going to leave you anymore. I'm not going to leave you. Trust me on that. Okay, so with that note, I am going to end this video. That was my experience, and it was quite thrilling, which I already told you several times, and I don't know why I'm repeating it. Oh, anyways. So on that note, I am going to end this video, and I love talking to you. Thank you so much for listening. Yes, so that is it for today's video. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and bye bye. And I miss you too.